Yo, what's good guys, it's Cyber, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this halftone comic look effect. Before I start off, make sure to follow my socials down below and join up my Discord. I have some free assets down there. And I also have a buy one get one free discount on my site right now. So if you buy any pack, you can get the second one for free. So make sure to go check that out. Let's get back to the tutorial. Alright, so once we have our clip, all we're going to do is right click, new, and make an adjustment. In this adjustment layer, we're going to go to effects and presets and type in halftone. We're going to grab this one right here. Now we can start messing around with it. We can up the frequency so the dots get smaller. And we can also mess around with the sharpness so you can make it more kind of blurry or sharper. I'm just going to up it a little bit to something like 7. We can also change the lighting of the dots. So I'm going to change it to 0.05 minus. And that's it for the halftone. Now what we can do is change the brightness and contrast. We can just drag that in there. You can't really see it too well. I think you can put it behind the halftones and it does affect it more. So we can up the brightness a little bit and the contrast. Now we can just add in a little flicker. In our flicker, we can just up the amplitude to like 0.5 and just drop our random frequency to like 10. We can also add in a vignette depending on your clip. I think for this one it might look cold, so we'll just drop down the radius a little bit. And then for our final effect, all we're going to do is just pre-compose this and add in a posterized time. We can drop our posterized time down to 12. All that does is kind of chops the frame, so we'll skip a frame, but it does add that kind of comic book style to it. So let's see how it turned out. So as I mentioned before, I do have a buy one get one free discount on my site right now. I have effects just like this one and many more on it, so make sure to go check it out and have a good one.